welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I color my hair using hair color wax. And this hair color wax is different than other color wax that wash away immediately, but this one is long lasting, guys, just like a real hair color dye. But this one is not as damaging as in the real hair color dye. So I transfer some wax on the bowl so that it's easy for me to color my roots. So I'm gonna start on my roots. So the lower part of my hair, I already did color it crepe paper in my last video, but on the upper part of my hair is really like they're not easily to color using crepe paper because crepe paper is liquid, so it's kind of hard to color them. As you can see, guys, I start on the roots because they really have bright colors, bright pink. So this is how I do it. I put the colors and blend them using my fingers. This hair color wax that I'm using has a really good smell, just like shampoo, and it doesn't have a chemical smell just like a normal hair dye, and as I said earlier, it's less damaging. That's why I love this product. So I start using this one because my hair is like look more healthy. Sorry about my voice, guys, because I have a cold right now. I think because of the weather has changed in here where I live, so it's kind of like this. My voice, it's annoying me because I can hear myself while doing a voiceover. So right now is I'm going to color all my roots, and then I'm gonna proceed to the lower part of my hair. I know it's hard to color your hair on the back because you cannot see it, but you can use mirror, you can put on the back, and then from the front mirror you can look through the back mirror to see the back of your hair. So that's how I do it. Kinda messy to do it in your own, but it's worth it after you see the result and everything is good. So the hair color wax I'm using, guys, is a Thai brand. I bought in here in Thailand. They have it on Lazada or Shopee, but I'm not sure if they ship it internationally. And yeah, this product, guys, is really good. I highly recommended it, and it's really cheap, and they have a variety of product of hair coloring stuff, but this one is my favorite. So I hope they have shipping internationally, but I'm not sure about that. So most of the hair coloring I'm using is in here from Thailand, and it's really good product. You know, Thailand is known for their beauty and stuff like that. If you want to color your hair by yourself, you can just watch how I do it. So make sure you really blend them using your fingers, and so that you don't miss a spot. And that's how I do it, guys. I don't really use the brush because they're not really helpful. You can just use the brush to put the color, but you need to use your fingers and your hands to blend them together all over your hair. So that's how I do it. So when you're done coloring your hair, you need to make sure that you didn't miss a spot. So you have to massage your hair, something like that. Maybe on the top haven't really blended together. So that's how I do it. And then I leave it for 30 minutes, and then I wash it normally and how you wash your hair, but I just keep the shampoo, guys, because this hair wax is kind of like shampoo, and just use conditioner, and yeah, you're good to go. use this product, guys, after I shower. Is kind of like leave-on conditioner. It's repair and moisturizer. I mostly put it on the upper part of my hair, and it really smells so good, guys. Highly recommended. And I also use a hair serum, hair oil, to the lower part of my hair, so that, you know, the drying and frizziness, and avoid the split ends. So it's really good, guys. They are all Thai brand and so good. Hi guys, so this is the final result of the green wax that I did, and I already washed my hair, and I did some makeup, and I did straighten my hair, obviously the same color, if you can see. So guys, this is my new favorite hair color wax, because it's less messy than crepe papers. If you really want to keep the color on your hair last longer, I always say this to all my video, that don't wash your hair every day, and if you wash your hair, don't shampoo it all the time. Maybe skip the shampoo and always conditioner your hair. So I'm gonna show you on the back, guys. Hair. So that's it, guys. I'm so happy, and I did some bangs. So guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching again, and I guess see you on my next video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video again. Bye.